Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this episode, I'm going to be featuring Holga 135 film. So this camera, I got it from thrift store and it's still in a box. It comes with different colors. Mine is orange, and usually it uses 120 film, but this one's 135, so I'm quite ecstatic. I'm not really a fan of 120s as I can't really develop them. I don't have the materials and I don't have the scanner for it, so I'm really happy that this one's 135. To start with, you can focus it. It's very simple. You can focus it with just, this is the arrow, and these are the corresponding pictures from portrait to landscape. This is to determine what lighting. So you got sunny here or cloudy. I usually put it in cloudy to get a clearer picture, but then it's very user friendly. Like if you want to put it in sunny, you know, be your guest. Yeah, it's f1.8, 47 millimeters. Oh, there's one here. So if you want to do it like a regular mode or bulb mode, bulb being you can keep the shutter as open as you want. It's good at nighttime photography. And yeah, how to use this is you open this one and you put your film here, slide it here, and then you just have that. As you can see, yeah, now it's in bulb. See what I mean? Keeps it open until you let it go. So after that, you wind it until finish the roll. Oh, don't forget, close that one. Yeah, it's very simple, very cute. Like, I really love this one. It's very easy to use. I actually used it yesterday, testing it out. I was walking around Gatineau downtown with my mask on, all reaching to the Alexandra Bridge, going back to Ottawa. As I can see more people walking now. Some of them wearing masks, some of them not, but yeah, just precaution for people out there. Just always wear mask and practice social distancing. We don't know what's gonna happen, so just practice those precautions for everybody's health. But I digress. So the pictures that were taken will be shown in the next slide. It's very fun to use this camera. I literally just finished a roll really quick in a matter of hours. Unlike other cameras that I have to focus it, you know, really nail it. This one's just really fun. Very easy to use. So hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.